Hey guys, so today we're going to eyebrow tutorial, and first you gotta brush up your hairs. You know what you gotta do? Brush up those hairs. Now we take our 7B brush and we use my dark brown pomade and we just line the bottom of my eyebrows. I like my tail to be long, so I tried making it long today. And plus I start on the top my eyebrow, then I go down, then in the brush, the rest of the product in the brush, I put it in the corner of my eyebrows, or like, what is it called, whatever I'm doing right now, you know, the rest of it, and yeah, I put it there. Now I'm combing down my eyebrows down because I went to the top line of my eyebrows. So now I'm doing my top line of my eyebrow, as you can see, you know. So yeah, but this part you guys might dislike because you barely can see it. I know, I'm so bad, but 4K bitch, 4K. So as you can see, oh my god, this, it's so nice. None of you bitches can't. None of you. I'm so good, you know. I'm so good. So now I brush my eyebrows, you know, whatever. And then I use my Benefit Contour Pro thingy to fill it in. I use the deeper shade. I don't even know how to say that, but it's a deeper shade. And I fill it in with that. And it's gonna look really, really gross and poopy, whatever. Like, it's gonna look like your shit, but it will look better. But yeah, just fill it in. Don't fill in your inner corners yet, or what I don't even know what it's called, but don't fill in the stuff, whatever. Just fill in where I'm filling it. I'm so bad, but yeah. And then what I do after that, I take my 7B brush with the spoolie and I brush it to smooth it, and it's gonna look nice and it's gonna blend together. Look at that. Look at that. It fucking blended, bitch. Look at that. It blended. You always want it to blend. It's really important, you know. So hurry up. Oh yeah, and the other product, the rest of the product on your spoolie, just put it in the inner corner, you know, so you could have that fade brow thingy. Before I did my eyebrows, I used to do streaks in my inner corners, but now I kind of like it again like that, but you can't do anything. And what I'm doing here is I'm filling in my eyebrows more because, you know, I've missed some spots that looks gross and whatever, I don't know. But this whole video I've been looking on my camera, like my mirror / camera. I don't know. Oh no, concealer. Ooh, that concealer. Oh my god, do you see that carving? I can't with that carving. It's so nice. Look at that carving. So yeah, I just carve anything that I don't want on my eyebrow, you know what I mean? I just carve it, and I carve it to make it more defined and more sharp, you know, to make the ends sharp, and just my eyebrow in general, to make it sharp. And then after that I blend it down so you can't barely see the eyebrow, the concealer. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And yeah, can you guys hear my fan? If you guys can hear my fan, I guess not, whatever. Then this scene I used the elf thingy. It's like a gel for my eyebrows, and I just comb it with the gel to make my brow hairs more defined, so it looks like, I don't know, it just makes it look nicer for me. And yeah, Bitch! Final product. I know, it kind of looks gross, but I try, bitch. Hey, bitches. I'm back. Back again. Sorry, guys. I forgot to show you guys the products that I used. And I used the 7B brush to make my shape of my eyebrows. I used this from Benefit Brow Contour Pro, and I used the darkest shade to fill in my eyebrows. Oh, look at my freaking fingers! Don't fucking look at that. I used the NARS concealer to carve out my eyebrows, and this is in shade Focus, bitch. Macadamia. Yeah. Focus. And I used the ELF to, what is it called? Fuck. Whatever I did. And I used this to carve out my eyebrows with the concealer. I used the Anastasia pomade, of course, and the color dark brown. So those are the products I used to do my eyebrows. My eyebrows could look better, but I guess I didn't try, and I just, I tried, but I'll just see you next video, guys. See ya. Peace.